Welcome back to the Impulse Recreation YouTube channel. Today we are just going to listen and hear the results of the 2015 Camaro LSA Supercharger install. We threw a bunch of good things on this car. We did Lingenfelter pulleys, upper and lower pulleys, an 8 REV supercharger belt, and then of course the LSA Supercharger. So let's just hear it. We'll have a longer form video coming in the next couple of days, more on the install and how we did everything. But let's just have a little listen to the car.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us a like if you did. And in the comments, let us know you want to see with our Camaros here. We have 4 Camaros and a ton of possibilities, and we want to cater the channel to what you guys want to see. Also, subscribe so you guys can stay up to date on what we're doing around here at the shop and with all of our cars. Follow us on Instagram too. We love interacting with you guys and posting a lot more pictures and fun stuff on there. And in the description, we have details for a Venmo giveaway where you guys have a chance to get some stickers and support us so we can keep continuing to make content that you guys want to see. Remember, stay impulsive.